Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm super excited to give you a quick tour around this brand new RSQ3 what we have in stock. It is a 2.5 petrol engine in LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, making sure you have the maximum amount of visibility with the legendary RSQ3 badge at the front of the vehicle, with the remarkable RS Sport suspension. As we move to the side of the vehicle, we've got the absolutely superb 20-inch alloy wheels. These are Audi Sport design and do come with the RS logo on the brake calipers. Moving along the side of the vehicle, we have got the door mirrors. These are electrically folding, adjustable with heated and integrated LED side indicators, with also the Kerb-view function for the passenger side. And as it is a brand new Audi vehicle, you will receive 3 years warranty. This includes roadside assistance, MOT cover and key cover, which really do come in practical. And to the rear end of the vehicle now, we've got the LED headlights with the dynamic indicators, with the rear parking sensors and the dual chrome tailpipes. But going into the boot now on this RSQ3, it massively benefits from a very generous boot size, perfect for any family days out shopping trips. And with one click of the button, the powered operated tailgate will come down. Passengers will be able to travel in the maximum comfort and style in the bike with the full leather sport seats, cup holders, aircon. Going into the front, we've got the phenomenal front sport seats with the RS embossed logo on the full leather. Turning around, we've got the RS flat bottom leather multifunctional steering wheel. These seats are also electrically adjustable with a 4-way lumbar support. And we've got the incredible Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, which completely transforms your in-car entertainment. The astonishing aluminium race inlays which surround the fully touchscreen and the My navigation system in the centre. Here is where you'll get all your car settings and in-car entertainment, including DAB digital radio, media player, telephone interface and also the sat-nav, which is super easy to control and get to wherever you need to be. If we just go into the car now, we have got so many different settings in here where you can play about with, but I'm just going to show you the background lighting, as you can choose from 30 different colours to suit whatever mood you're in. Moving further down, we've got the 2-way climate control. Here is where you and your passenger will be able to easily access this and be able to put the heated seats on too. As an optional extra from new, we also have the rear view camera, making this SUV very practical and easy to manoeuvre and park up. The automatic gearbox and the electrical mechanical parking brake with the beautiful RS steering wheel. Here is where the driver will be able to select whatever platform they would like to view on their virtual cockpit. Here is where you'll be able to change the view of the dials. And we've also got the cruise control to the left hand side, making it such a dream to drive, alongside with the aluminium gear shift paddles, the automatic rain sensors and the automatic headlights, making your journey a little bit more effortless. By pressing the RS mode button on the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit screen all changes and you will have a choice out of RS1 and RS2 mode, making it really enjoyable to drive. If you would like any more information about this impressive car, we've got some amazing offers on at the moment, so please don't hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.